Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use Spocket with Shopify. I've been getting a lot of questions about this lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. So what is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Shopify store to a network of suppliers. This means that you can sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Spocket will automatically place an order with the supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. How does Spocket work? To use Spocket, you first need to create a Spocket account. Once you have done that, you can connect your Shopify store to your Spocket account. Once your store is connected, you can start browsing Spocket's catalog of products. When you find a product that you want to sell, you can add it to your Shopify store. Once you have added a product to your store, you can set your own price and shipping costs. When a customer places an order for one of your products, Spocket will automatically place an order with the supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. Benefits of using Spocket. There are a number of benefits to using Spocket. No inventory. You don't have to hold any inventory yourself, which means that you don't have to worry about storage or shipping costs. Fast shipping. Spocket works with suppliers who offer fast shipping, so your customers will get their orders quickly. High-quality products. Spocket only works with suppliers who offer high-quality products. Easy to use. Spocket is very easy to use, even if you have no experience with dropshipping. Affordable. Spocket offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. Drawbacks of using Spocket. There are also a few drawbacks to using Spocket. Limited product selection. Spocket doesn't have as many products as some other dropshipping platforms. Higher prices. Spocket products are often more expensive than products from other dropshipping platforms. No customer support. Spocket doesn't offer customer support. Is Spocket right for you? Spocket is a great option if you're looking for an easy-to-use dropshipping platform with a good selection of products. However, it may not be the best option if you're looking for the lowest possible prices, or if you need customer support. How to get started with Spocket. If you're interested in using Spocket, here's how to get started. Create a Spocket account. Connect your Shopify store to your Spocket account. Start browsing Spocket's catalog of products. Add products to your Shopify store. Set your own prices and shipping costs. Spocket is a great way to get started with dropshipping. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide variety of products. However, it may not be the best option if you're looking for the lowest possible prices, or if you need customer support.